Are you thinking about buying a spa pool? Wondering whether Chinese-made spas are a safe investment? Keep watching to find out. If you're on the market for a spa pool, you might wonder if it matters what country your spa is made in. In this video, I'll explain whether Chinese-made spa pools are a good choice so you can make an informed decision. At Spa World, we've been making and selling spa pools since 1985. So when it comes to buying a spa, we know what the key things are to look for. We're often asked whether spa pools that are made in China are good quality. What we've found is that where a spa is made is far less important than how a spa is made, what materials are used in a spa's construction, and the quality of the manufacturer's quality control systems. For example, there have been some great spas made in Australia and some awful spas made in Australia. Likewise, some of the best spas in the world are made in China, including vortex spas, and some of the worst spas in the world are also made in China. This is very similar to many other products in the world. Most people would have no issue buying an Apple product, all of which are manufactured in China, but may have less comfort in buying a phone or laptop made in Australia because it's a country that doesn't have a manufacturing industry for electronic goods. Why have many Australian spa manufacturers moved to China? It will not be surprising to hear that labour cost is the biggest reason. For the same reason, most American manufacturers have moved their manufacturing to either Mexico or the States, with a lower labour cost such as Tennessee. Spas are a very labour-intensive product to manufacture. In fact, labour cost makes up approximately 30% of the total cost of manufacturing in higher labour cost countries such as Australia and New Zealand. The secret behind manufacturing a quality product is implementing quality assurance systems. For example, Vortex is a top quality brand of spa pool we sell at Spa World, which is made in China. We have quality control personnel embedded in the factory who are supported by quality control management that visit suppliers on a monthly basis. The systems used are equal or even superior to the quality assurance system used by manufacturers in developed countries, ensuring that any products that don't meet the stringent benchmark don't leave the factory. Are spas made in Australia and New Zealand good quality? For the most part, absolutely. Signature spas, sapphire spas, and some endless spas are made in Australia, and true form spas are still made in New Zealand. It's worth noting that it would be more accurate to say that the above spas are assembled locally, not manufactured. The vast majority of the components, from the acrylic in the shell to the pumps and control systems, are sourced from the same component suppliers used by all other manufacturers. What should you look for when selecting a spa or swim spa? In terms of the quality of the spa, there are several things to look for when investing in one. US-made acrylic, a high-quality control system, SpaNet, Balboa or Gecko are the best. Good warranties, shells which should carry a 10-year structural warranty, timber-free or treated timber frames. This is an important one, so ask the salesperson to show you proof. Good insulation. Of course, it's also important to purchase your spa from a company that will support you for years to come. A good rule of thumb is to choose a company that has been around for longer than the warranties they offer. We also recommend doing a bit of research to check the company's reputation. You can do this by looking up Google reviews and talking to people you know who own a spa about their personal experiences. So ensure you choose a reputable spa retailer who can help you to choose the perfect spa for you. Hopefully this video has helped you to feel better informed when purchasing a spa pool. Just remember how a spa pool is made and who buy is far more important than the country it is made in. Always do your research to ensure you're buying from a reputable brand with high quality products, robust warranties and good after-sales support. On that note, to speak with one of our spa pool specialists, get in touch via the link in the description or visit your local Spa World showroom. We would love to see you.